Have you ever wondered if Tesla cars truly live up to their reputation as electric vehicles? Do they really not use any fuel? Let's dive into the world of Tesla and find out. The idea of a car that doesn't require gasoline or diesel is a revolutionary concept. It's a vision that many people have dreamed of for decades, a world free from the constraints of fossil fuels. Tesla, a company founded by Elon Musk, has been at the forefront of this electric revolution. But how exactly do Tesla cars work? Do they really not use any fuel? Understanding electric vehicles. Before we delve into Tesla specifically, let's understand the basics of electric vehicles. Unlike traditional cars that rely on internal combustion engines to convert chemical energy into mechanical energy, electric vehicles use electric motors. These motors are powered by batteries, which store electrical energy. Tesla's battery technology. Tesla has been a pioneer in battery technology. Their cars use lithium-ion batteries, which are known for their high energy density and long lifespan. These batteries are responsible for powering the electric motors that drive the car. Charging a Tesla. So, how do you fuel a Tesla? Instead of filling up at a gas station, you charge the car's battery. There are two primary ways to charge a Tesla. Home charging. You can charge your Tesla at home using a home charger. This is a convenient option for daily charging. Public charging. Tesla has a vast network of supercharger stations across the globe. These stations can provide rapid charging, allowing you to quickly top up your battery. The myth of fuel-free driving. While it's true that Tesla cars don't use gasoline or diesel, they do require electricity. Electricity is the fuel that powers the electric motors. So, in a way, Tesla cars do use fuel, just a different kind. Environmental impact. One of the biggest advantages of electric vehicles like Tesla is their reduced environmental impact. Compared to traditional cars, electric vehicles produce significantly fewer greenhouse gas emissions. This is because the electricity used to charge them can come from renewable sources like solar and wind power. The future of electric vehicles. As battery technology continues to improve and charging infrastructure expands, electric vehicles are poised to become even more popular. Tesla's innovative approach has helped to accelerate the adoption of electric cars and has inspired other automakers to follow suit. So, does Tesla car use fuel? The answer is both yes and no. While Tesla cars don't use traditional fossil fuels like gasoline or diesel, they do require electricity to operate. This electricity can come from renewable sources, making Tesla cars a more environmentally friendly option compared to traditional vehicles. If you're interested in learning more about Tesla cars or electric vehicles in general, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. We'll keep you updated on the latest developments in the electric vehicle industry. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.